Kia ora, I'm Gavin Brooks, co-founder of Bitcoin's Aotearoa. Welcome to BTCA, and thank you for choosing Bitcoin's Aotearoa as the platform in which to assist you realize your vision, mission, and cause to own Bitcoin. Bitcoin's Aotearoa is built on the principles of crowdfunding. Donations given, donations received, donations received, donations given, using, of course, only Bitcoin as the currency. Thank you once again. Thank you especially for joining a worldwide phenomenon, a worldwide movement moving from or exiting out of a centralized regime into a completely liberating and decentralized space where total and complete autonomy and ownership over your own finances is inevitable going forward. Thank you once again for joining the team and of course the worldwide movement. The team have committed themselves to assisting you in the vision, mission and cause that you have. We look forward, of course, to working with you now and into the future. Once again, welcome once, welcome twice, thrice, welcome. God bless you.